from Blizzard Beach today. Coming at you. Blizzard Beach. I'm not going to be able to see anything because I can't wear my glasses or contacts. But let's do this. Gonna go get in a wave pool. So you hit it and see how far it goes.
You've only got 6 scores to get it in.
Par 3.
Yeah. If you don't get it down in 6, you pick the ball up and go up elsewhere.
We're meant to be doing, what's it called? Fantasia?
Fantasia mini golf, but we're doing...
Oh, we were meant to be doing the fun mini golf, but we're not. We're doing the legit mini golf.
We're doing the putting green.
The legit mini golf.
Not the crazy golf.
Not as fun.
We're doing the mini golf,
well,
the crazy golf.
It's not as good. Go, go, go! Woo!
Yeah!
In the, oh, you're in the
right.
bank. Hold it down there.
That way. Hold it that way.
I'm watching her and then I'll...
Straight in the green, straight in the rough.
You're next, Dad.
Well, that's one. It's the same, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, you've got 6 scores. If you haven't done it in 6 scores into the hole, then you...
Dad cheats.
Bad.
Yeah, Dad cheats.
No,
how can he
Dad's
cheat?
just good. But then it went the wrong way.
Oh.
What was that?
You're going to go over the hill.
Brilliant, nice one. Go team, to the balls.
Are we still going in order? That way.
Found mine. Is it my turn? Can I get out of this bush first?
Don't count that.
Yes, that's 2. Go again, no, because you suck. Okay, there you go.
Holly. Pick up the Holly. Oh, it doesn't come out. Oh, yes, it does. She did say she'd been practicing.
Going for a rebounder.
That's 3.
That's 4.
Where'd you gone? Go Blizzard!
Is mine in your way?
Go Blizzard! No. My guy. It's not going well. Did you not get out?
It went back down.
Yeah! I don't know what number we're on.
Number 5, number 1. It's the picture.
That's surprisingly good makeup.
That was a really good one. You'd have to be a golfer to do this properly. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh! That's not fun.
rock. I'm literally under a rock.
Where are you? But that's the first.
Yeah, you're on. You're behind. At least you're in shade.
You're not under a rock, you're behind the rock.
Watch, everybody stand by.
Yeah, I'm not. Woo! We all suck at golf. Yeah, especially Holly.
Excuse me.
She's gone downhill since the first vlog, golf vlog. I did quite well on that hit. Let's go. Doop, 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 doop.
If you pop, what are you going to do? Pick it up and take one out for you.
Not quite sure how I'm going to hit this ball. Because, you know, where it landed seems to be a bit impossible to get to. There I am. I'm not enjoying this golf. I'm thirsty. There's a lizard above, ahead. Lizard. Come to get a drink. How much are we? Yay! Ooh, ooh. Yes.
Holly's.
Thank you.
You see where Holly's ball is, Pete? So close.
Mate, nice one.